From Muika in Niigata Prefecture, Japan, where we have had what is the largest snowfall of the winter so far overnight. And I'm with my trusty sidekick Hugo, and we're just digging out the car from the car park. You can see exactly how much we had overnight. I forgot to bring a measuring stick, but well over a foot here. And this was from 6 p.m. last night. It started snowing yesterday around lunchtime, so the other cars around have got a lot more snow on them, as you can see. So I'm going to be digging out for a little while longer and then hit the road and go do some exploring.
That looks like really hard work.
I go around.
The one nasty ass blizzard up here in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. Snowing to beat the band. Wicked winds. Stay off the roads if you don't have to be on them. Drive safe.
Good evening, I'm Scott Hetzko, and this is the very definition of heavy snow. This is Henrietta at about 11:20. Just got done with the forecast, the 7-day, and wanted to come out and look at this beautiful snowfall out there tonight. So this is the apex of this storm. I mean, it's not going to get much heavier than this, but I'll tell you, don't be surprised if you hear reports of thunder snow in the Finger Lakes overnight tonight. I mean, a lot of vertical motion in the atmosphere with that new nor'easter developing on the coast. So this is impressive. I'd say we got a good 3 or 4 inches already, and with snowfall of a 1 to 2 inch rate until about 2 or 3 in the morning. I would not be surprised if we in Henrietta get about 10 inches on the ground. And in the city, maybe 8. Northwest Monroe County, maybe about 6. And maybe a foot or more in the Finger Lakes, especially in the elevations. Enjoy.